The process begins with thousands of whole brown potatoes, carefully harvested and prepared for their journey to a modern Pringles factory. The harvested brown potatoes are transferred into large containers, ready to begin their journey from the farm to the processing facility. Loaded with whole brown potatoes, the transport trucks head toward the modern factory where the potatoes will begin their transformation. At the factory, the incoming whole brown potatoes are unloaded and transferred into the first section of the industrial production line. Before processing begins, the whole brown potatoes pass through inspection equipment to check their condition and prepare the suitable potatoes for production.
The whole brown potatoes now enter an industrial washing system, where water and mechanical movement remove soil and surface debris.
Inside the cleaning system, the brown potatoes are thoroughly washed as rotating equipment and water prepare them for further processing. After thorough cleaning, the whole brown potatoes leave the washing system and continue deeper into the factory toward preparation. With the brown potatoes cleaned, automated equipment now guides and positions them for the first major transformation in the production process. The clean whole brown potatoes are now ready to enter the next stage, where the factory begins transforming them into the potato material used to create stacked chips. The whole brown potatoes now enter the peeling system, where their outer skins are carefully removed before the next stage of processing. As the machine rotates the potatoes, the brown outer skins are separated, leaving clean potato bodies ready for further preparation. The prepared potatoes pass through precision cutting equipment, breaking the whole potatoes into uniform pieces for the next processing stage. The uniform potato pieces are immediately transferred deeper into the production line, where industrial processing begins turning them into a consistent potato mixture. Inside the processing system, the potato pieces are mechanically reduced into a smooth and consistent mixture that can be shaped into the distinctive chip form. Once the potato mixture reaches the required consistency, it moves from the blending system toward the forming section of the factory. The smooth potato mixture is now ready for the forming stage, where it will soon be transformed into the thin pieces that become stacked potato chips. The prepared potato mixture now passes through precision rollers, forming a smooth and uniform sheet that will become the foundation of every chip. The uniform potato sheet now reaches the precision cutting section, where the continuous sheet will be divided into individual chip pieces. Precision cutters now separate the potato sheet into individual chip pieces, creating the uniform shapes needed for the next stage. The freshly cut potato chip pieces are arranged into organized rows and carried forward toward the cooking system.
The freshly formed potato chip pieces now enter the continuous cooking system, where controlled heat begins transforming their texture.
Inside the controlled cooking system, the potato pieces develop the crisp texture required for the finished stacked chip. The cooked potato chips now pass through automated quality inspection, where their shape, size, and condition are checked before continuing. Only the approved potato chips continue through the production line, moving closer to the seasoning, shaping, and stacking stages that create the finished product. With seasoning evenly distributed, the potato chips continue toward the equipment that will prepare them for their distinctive stacked arrangement. The seasoned potato chips now enter the shaping section, where precision equipment maintains their distinctive curved form and prepares them for stacking. Automated guides carefully align the curved potato chips into organized rows, preparing them for precise stacking. The aligned potato chips now enter the stacking machine, where automated equipment begins building the precise vertical stacks used in the finished product. Automated controls ensure that each potato chip stack reaches the correct height and remains neatly aligned before packaging. The finished potato chip stacks have now reached the packaging line, where the automated system prepares to place each stack into its individual container. The finished potato chip stacks are carefully transferred into individual containers, with automated equipment protecting the precise stack arrangement. The finished potato chip containers are carefully placed into shipping cartons, preparing the completed product for final sealing and dispatch. Inside each container, the potato chip stack is carefully positioned so it can move smoothly into the final sealing stage. The filled containers now enter the sealing section, where automated machinery closes and protects the stacked potato chips. The containers are securely sealed, protecting the stacked potato chips as they continue toward labeling and final quality inspection.